Basketball, you betcha. I'm back, ready to get it in once again, and you know I'm in it to win. It is the Daily Trainer, and I'm ready to give you what you need, guaranteed to succeed through this drill work that we do every day. So, let's go! All right, so we've been doing some new things. We've been trying to improvise in some drills as well, and you're doing some of the old drills to continue to refresh yourself of being good at what you're already good at or getting better at. So now what I want to add a new drill real quick in there today. Let's start off with it right away. You're going to wave dribble, okay? Now, I want you to understand a lot of wave dribble movement is to help you create an angle, but we're just going to keep it simple. And yes, we're waving from the top all the way to the wing, but it's just more to get you to understand how to stay low at a certain distance. And then when you've seen the opportunity fit, you take the lane. So you can say this is the A gap, this is the B gap, this is the C gap. So you're going to go through the C gap first, then you're going to go through the B gap next, then you're going to go through the A gap. Okay, so you'll probably do 2 wave dribbles from the top, could be 3 depending on your size, and then you're just going to attack the rim. Okay, we're going to do that 3 times. Then you're going to go through the B gap, which is the middle, and then you're going to attack 3 times, and then just 1 wave like you would in a game. As soon as you see the opportunity, boom, you're gone. Okay, so we're going to do that on both sides of the floor. And this is a new drill, and we'll, keep progressing on what's next for this drill. So I want you to open up with this drill right away, and then we'll go into our other things that we do. Okay, I'm going to get you loose by making you do the full court transition drill where you're alternating that basketball. We're going to go 4 times on each side today so you can really get that work in and really get that speed going. And then we're going to have you do a little bit of stationary ball handling. Oh yeah, we're gonna give you some advanced ones. So we're gonna go double cross through the legs. Okay, we're gonna also go triple cross through the legs. So double cross through the legs will be alternating, so boom boom through, boom boom through, and then the triple one will keep you on the same side. Then we're also gonna go crossover through the legs behind the back. And then we are going to finish off with just one that I really like doing all the time is the in and out crossover through the legs. Okay, so we're going to work all those out. We're going to do those 5 times each on both sides. We're just going to be stationary when we're doing it. And then we're going to go to the free throw line, shoot it out for a second, just make 5. Always got to be good from the free throw line. Remember that. If there's nothing else going well for you and you can get to the rim and get fouled, boom, you got the free throw line. All right, so let's make some free throws. So I tried to give you guys defense more towards the end because I don't want you to be too tired. But I'm going to throw a little mix of defense in today in between our shooting because I want to see how you shoot with tired legs. So you have to give yourself more of a game feel when you're practicing a lot of reps and shooting. We tend to fall in the trap of wanting to shoot the ball with fresh legs all the time, and that's not realistic when it comes to the game. So what I want you to understand is as we get into this more, we've got to make it a game feel. Does that make sense? Okay, so looking at that, we're going to go into our defensive sets, and our first one is going to be going from the sideline, and we're going to sprint. We're going to slide across, and then we're going to turn and sprint. That drill is more to getting our hips to turn just a little bit more in our defensive stance and just giving us an opportunity to really get across the court. Then from there, we're going to go into the key and do my favorite ones. We're going to do key-to-key slides. Remember, our goal is 19, okay, in a 30-second radius. You'll do this 3 times. And then we're going to go do our X drill where we come across the key, close out, slide across, slide diagonally, and then sprint up. And then with those, we will get to the free throw line and we'll shoot 5 free throws. Then after that, we're going to go into some more shooting. Okay, so I want you to get right under the basket. You're going to be a little tired, so I just want you to get a good feel. So I want to get shooting form correct, but then I also want you to be right under the basket, shooting right off the glass. And I want you to make 20 on both sides. Okay, and then our shooting form is just going to be the 5 different spots around the rim, making 3. And then we're going to go into our pull-up jump shots, mid-range with the 3 cones. And then after the 3 cones, what I want, you're going to make 2. Let's make 2 at each spot. Remember, when you go, you're making the easy move to the cone, outside of the cones. Then you're making that simple crossover or that simple through the legs transition into that shot for 2. So you're doing all of those, making 2. So it should be 2, 2, then the crossover, 2, 2, then the crossover to the other cone, 2, 2. So you'll be going to the same cone quite a bit, but you're doing it in a different move variation. And then you're going to do star shooting mid-range, all right? And then we're only going to do that 3 times. Again, you're going to be a little tired, but it's okay because we've got to get in shape, right? So I want you to be in shape. And then lastly, what I want you to do is get to the free throw line, and I would like you to shoot 5 free throws. Make all of them, and then get you some water. And then we're shooting all of our 3-point drills. We're going to go dribble up and shoot. I only want you to make 2, right hand, left hand. In the middle, right hand, left hand. Same thing on the left side. Then I want you to shoot the 3s all the way around. And then I would like you to shoot your baseline running 3s. 4 makes on the baseline, 4 makes on the wing. And then to finish up with a little bit of conditioning. And in this thing we call basketball, is our 5-spot layup drill. Okay, I want you to do that 2 times. You're going to be pretty gassed, but it's okay. And then we're going to shoot 10 free throws, and let's please make 8 out of 10 free throws. That would be great, and that would be it. Basketball U. That's all I'm asking of you, is to get these done and make shots, and don't get down on yourself. Stay positive with yourself. Let me know how you guys are doing in the AAU season or the spring season or the summer season. Whatever league you are attempting to be in or going to start, just let me know how you're doing, and then I can give you some advice on that as well. And then you can just get back to me on maybe some things that you're doing wrong, or better yet, why not send in some film? Let me break some of your film down on Basketball U. That would be great, because then you could see it and other people can give you feedback, hopefully positive feedback on your game. All right, Basketball U, I thank you so much for coming in, as you always do. You guys are great in supporting these different trainings and also showing up every day. And one thing I can always tell you is, you need to be in shape. You need to be in the best shape. And you shouldn't have a reason not to be. And that's it. And the last thing I'll leave you with is, remember, someone's always working. Are you?